Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the FAR Digital Media. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make $100 every single day from selling digital products on Etsy. I just want to be completely upfront about this, guys. If you are just starting out, don't expect to make $1 million or even $100 every single day, because everything comes with experience. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn, especially with a site like Etsy, where you actually got to put in the time to make those good products, to find what people are buying. And I think all that's very, very important. So guys, let's jump into this. But before we do, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started here. Like I said, we're going to be talking about how to sell digital products online on Etsy. So for those of you that don't know what Etsy is a site where pretty much sellers can sell different things. It's more of a home good things, in my opinion, where people can create products rather than sell on like Amazon and stuff like that. A lot of these products that you'll see on Etsy are customizable. You can change different things. You can sell digital products. You can sell physical products, and it's the best of both worlds. So how do you go about selling? So first, why is selling on Etsy so awesome, and why selling digital products is because the entry to get in is very, very cheap. All you need is a Canva account, in my opinion, which runs you about $15 every single month. It's worth it, and I would highly recommend investing in it. It's a tax write-off. It's awesome. But you can sell a variety of different things here. You can sell printables like planners, calendars, notebooks, digital artwork. You can sell templates for like resumes, social media posts, different fonts and graphics. And it's overall just really, really, really a great thing here. Now, I would highly recommend choosing a niche like health and fitness, like technology, fashion, travel, weddings, whatever it may be. I would highly recommend picking something that you're passionate about and seeing what they sell on Etsy already that works well. So we're going to be talking about how to sell wedding invitations right on Etsy with literally $0. Other than like the Canva account. All right, so the first thing I would recommend doing here is actually creating an Etsy account here. So let's jump into kind of how to do this. So we actually named our account here Ever After by Carter. So this is gonna be like a wedding invitation, wedding site that I'll sell digital products with. So we're actually gonna type in that category right here. We're gonna go wedding. Let's see if there's templates right here. So that's gonna be invitation, papers, and this is going to be digital files. Who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? We can just put, I don't know, made to order. Then we can go created by me and then continue. So the next thing here is actually going to be pretty much your product that you're going to sell. But we actually need to create a product here. So this is going to be kind of how it looks here. And the reason I love Canva so much is because you can customize everything. They have templates on there already. You can go in and customize things that you like. So what we actually want to do here is go in and make sure this is what you want. You can add different things. You can remove different things. So if you wanted to remove that and put in, something like this, that still looks good in my opinion, right? Doing this is very, very important here. So what we're actually going to do is add a different page, and we're going to write in download here, because how this works here. So how this works is very simple. They're going to get a link, and they're going to get a template link for this. So they're actually not going to get this physical one. They're going to get one that is pretty much the template of this, if that makes sense. So we can make a separate one here just to make it easier. Click here. So what this is going to do now is we can actually go in and we can get this template link. So how you do that is you click share. You want to go to template link right here, which is already live because I did copy that. So then here, what we're going to do is work our way down here, and we're going to see if we can link this. So we're going to link both of these just to make it easier, like such, boom. And then we're also going to link this one here. So we're going to click link, and then we're going to click done. So now, whether they click this or this, they will have access to customize their own. So if they want to change the name to like Carter, they can obviously, do that there. So they just like that. So the next thing here is you can make this a little more visually appealing here, throw some stuff down because people are going to be paying for this, so just make it a little better. You can put a logo on here if you have one already, and there you go. So the next thing that I would recommend doing here is downloading this. So we already did it, but we'll show you guys how to do this. So we're going to download just this first page right here, and we're going to go in and we're going to create a mock-up like this here. So you guys can see how it looks like I already downloaded that product. I did not. I haven't even downloaded this thing. I haven't printed it off. But what you guys want to do here is you can type in right on Canva, invitation, scroll down to the mockups right here, and they'll have a great list of ones. So you can actually do a couple here. So wait, let's delete that. Let's add this, and we'll remove this. We just want that size. So now we can throw in something like this, right, to give people a couple of different ways on how it looks here. So then we'll pop up this so you can see all of our different branding here. We can put that in there and see how it looks. So you guys can see, boom. So you guys can get a general idea here of how it looks. So they know it's a 5x7, 5x7. And the next thing here is working our way back to our listing. So the next thing here is to title it. So there's a variety of different ways that you can go ahead and go to how to go about titling. What I would recommend doing is see what other people are doing, right? You guys can see Summer Wild, right here. Okay, so something like that here, customize it, make it your own, and then go ahead and add it in, and we'll do that right now. All right, so we did Summer Wildflower wedding invitation set, floral invitation suite template with field flower. Something very simple, basic, has good keywords like wedding invitation set, floral invitation. I think that those will work pretty decent. So the next thing is let's add some photos. So what you want to do is download all of this one, and then these two or these three right here. All right, so the next thing here that you guys can do here is to kind of make these a little, make them a little more centered like that. We'll just kind of see how that looks good. Looks good. All right. So after that here that we have done here, we have a good title. We have some good photos. We have a thumbnail. The next thing here that we want to see here is a description. Now, if you guys used Canva Pro, you have to make sure that that is in your description because people will not be able to customize them or download them without having it. So make sure you say must have Canva Pro. Okay, make sure you put that in and then do a longer description, and we'll do that now. All right, so after we added a good description, so this is kind of our invitation set designed for couples who want a unique, personalized touch to their special day. Stunning invitation set, vibrant field flowers, allowing you to set the perfect tone for your celebration. Add some stuff, make sure it has Canva Pro in there like that. All right, so the next thing here is going to be the price. I think the standard for digital products, in my opinion, ranges from $15 to about $3. So we'll kind of go in that middle ground here with like $4.99. I think that's good. We'll earn about $4, per sale. And then quantity, we have obviously unlimited, so we just got to make sure we have enough. And then we'll go down here, and then we want to do tags and attributes. So we're going to kind of want to look at this primary color here. Let's go back and look at those. So I would say white, maybe pink. So let's go here. So we'll go white, secondary color, pink, occasion. So this is going to be for a wedding. Choose holiday, no holiday. Wedding theme here. Let's go ahead and see. I think it's going to be more fairy tale, out garden or outdoor. So we'll do that. Tags. So this is up, go ahead, add some tags here. So add up to 13 tags to help people search for your listing. So like the shape, color, style, function. All right. So now that we added these, and you guys can go ahead and screenshot some, and we'll just continue to work our way down here. So this is going to be the digital file here. So one thing I did do is when it wasn't made, I accidentally said made to order. We're going to want to just put when it was made here. So we'll click apply. All right. So the last thing that we actually need to add here is going to be the digital file. So we want to work our way back to this site where it says download here. And we're going to want a PDF file. So not PNG, we want a PDF right here, PDF standard, and we're gonna download those and then go back to our listing and then add them in our file. So now that we have that here, we can double click that, and this is gonna be how it looks here. So you guys can see if we click that, boom, we have that ready to rock and roll. So we'll save that and we will continue to work our way through this. And we'll go ahead, we'll do this later, or you could add more, whatever you guys want to do, but we'll go ahead and do this later. After that, here you're going to want to go in and fill out all of your information for tax purposes. So if you're an individual, business, and then add like your bank account and stuff like that. So after you guys go ahead and you fill out all that information, the next thing here is you guys are going to have to pay a one-time fee of $15 to pretty much set up your marketplace. Now you guys can go ahead and start doing this, and then it's pretty much just a direct streamline to setting up the rest of your account and your shop. And we'll do a separate video on all of that. Today was more focusing on how to build a digital product and how to integrate it in your Etsy account. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hit that like button, and we'll see you guys. Take care, everyone.